Hello everybody. This video I'm going to work on this 1941 Ford pickup truck. It's a little different than what Hot Wheels usually does. It's almost like they was trying to do their own muscle machines thing. But it's still pretty cool. Not sure what I'm going to do with it yet. But yeah, I hope you stick around and we'll see what happens. Okay, I went ahead and drilled this out. There was only one post holding it together, so it should come apart pretty easily. Well, in theory, there we go. All right. Whoa. One of these that aren't real easy to figure out here. Huh. There we go. Okay, so there's the base. And here's the interior and the bed of the truck. And here's the special little spider web or spider egg thing. And here's our casting. So it looks like that post is going to be real short back here. But yeah, we'll get it drilled out and put back together best we can. And I'm not real positive what I'm going to do about the color, what I'm going to do with it. I do like the yellow and black. Looks pretty cool, but yeah, it's not going to have any decals with it. But we'll see. Sometimes things come to me as I'm working on it. So I'll only drop this into the citrus strip and get the paint off of it, and then we'll just go from there. Well, while our casting's in the stripper, let's go ahead and work on this base. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep these axles and wheels on here because I don't really have anything that is this size. However, I do have an old muscle machine that I had picked up that was missing an engine, so why not miss the axles too? But I gotta take these out to see if I can get them to fit in here because they're quite large. Whoop. Yeah, pretty rusty. Well, like I said, I've got these muscle machine axles here. They are considerably larger, but I might give them a try just to see. Oh yeah, it's definitely going to have to do some trimming. I don't know if I need to do it on the body or the chassis or on the wheels if I stick with these. But I'll wait till the casting is out of the stripper and see if I can even get it to fit up in there before I decide on anything. Okay, I tried a couple different options with the wheels. First I tried the wheels from the muscle machines on here because I thought, you know, since it was kind of like a muscle machine, maybe they would work. But the rear wheels were so big, I had to cut away a lot of the casting and a lot of this chrome part of the bed. So I thought, well, maybe I'll try some Sam Ed wheels, but I only have up to a 12 millimeter. The 10 millimeter worked fine. It worked, it rolled. But on the rear, because of these big old exhaust pipes sticking out the sides here, it would not work. And since it's already pretty cartoonish with this great big engine sticking up here, I thought I'd leave these on there without shaving them off. So back to the original wheels. I'm going to try something, so I'm going to go ahead and drop them in some super clean and get them cleaned up, and then I will try something new here. I'm going to drop everything in there. Probably won't take very long. Alright, we'll come back to this in a couple minutes here and get her cleaned up. Okay, let's clean this casting up a little bit from some of this flashing. Not sure how deep I'm going to get into it, but I'll try to get some of this off the fenders and the hood here a little bit. So, yeah, let me get started. Whoop. Well, I think I'm going to call it quits there before I tear it up too bad. I'll run a Scotch-Brite pad on it and see how I did. Well, before I get too far ahead of myself, let me hit this with a brass brush real quick and get in the nooks and crannies real quick. Well, I think I got everything off of there. So, let's decide what I'm going to do with it. Okay, well, here's our parts. Painted the base and detailed the grill and the axles back in there that came from factory. I tried doing some white walls. I'm a little embarrassed about how shaky I am, so doing the fine details I was having a little bit of trouble with, but I don't know. I'll get it together, see how it looks. Anyway, and I chromed up the big old cartoonish engine here and some details inside and the side pipes after I stripped all the chrome off of everything and did some little bit of sanding and Pledge Revive on the windshield. And then, the paint was pretty chipped up on this, so I went ahead and painted it orange, detailed it up a little bit, kind of put some chrome on there like the 41 Ford would have had, and yeah, I painted it orange. So give me a minute, I'll get this thing together and we'll see what it looks like. So just to remember what we started with, it's been played with, it's got some wear and tear on it, but for the most part it's in pretty good shape. But yeah, the paint definitely needed some work and the wheels freed up and re-chromed. So I hope you like what we did with it. And here's our finished 41 Ford pickup truck. I really wanted to change the wheels, but I didn't have anything that I could change them with, and so I thought I would try to spice them up a little bit, give them a classic hot rod look to them. And I guess it didn't turn out so bad. I was pretty shaky trying to do the details on it, so they probably don't look as professional as they should. But what I really want to do is send this car off to Harrison, because I knew he liked orange, and I fixed the truck for him and his daddy, and it's probably more his daddy's truck, so this gets to be Harrison's truck. So we'll send this off, and hopefully he'll have fun playing with it. So if you guys would like to like and subscribe, I appreciate it. Tell your friends, hit the notification button, so you'll know when my videos come out. I really appreciate it. Appreciate all you guys watching. Until next time.